Welcome to Vera TV. Please subscribe. Today we're going to cook bhajia. All-purpose flour. Add color. Add garlic or ginger, depends on what you like. Add coriander or dhania. Spin for the spices to mix well. Add water bit by bit until it forms a thick paste. Add potatoes one by one into the paste. Mix them evenly. Ensure your oil is well heated. You can confirm with a cooking stick. Add your potatoes one by one to avoid splashing of oil. Don't rush, do it at your own pace. Turn your potatoes allow them to cook for 7 minutes. Boom! Our food is ready. Please subscribe.